everybody. So today I'm gonna show you parts of a plane, a police plane. Yes. So this is the cockpit. The cockpit is like the pilot to sit in, and then he can control the plane manually. And then we have the catcher, which is right here. You have to flip it upside down so you can see it. Right here, the catcher. And the catcher is used to catch cars. And so then the cars will get carried. So, yep, that's all. Bye, bye, bye.